Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix cannot join the party or cannot send invites in Call of Duty. So first I will show you PC way, and then I will show you the way that it should work for everybody. So you just need to go to documents, look for Call of Duty, then you just need to rename it, and then basically write whatever you want right here, and then just go to Call of Duty, and it should work after you sign in with your account again. If it's not working, here's another step. So just go to activision.com and log into your account. Login button will be on the top right. It will be a bunch of different ways like Steam, Xbox, and PlayStation to log in. Then press on profile. Then go to account linking and find your platform where you play. In my case, I play on Steam. You just need to then press unlink, send code, and put the code here. And after you submit the code, as you can see here, your account should be unlinked. Press unlink again. I understand. Continue. And then as you can see here, your account is unlinked. And once your account is unlinked, then launch Call of Duty with the unlinked account. Hit play. And after launch the game, then you just need to, as you can see here, re-log in with your account here. Okay. And the issue should be solved. You should able to invite your friends or send invite or join the party, right? So that's pretty much it.